Hey everybody, I'm sitting at WiLD Rubies. Let's see if I can get those Rubies and smack a big old jackpot. Let's go. Check out this game I hopped over to. It's called WiLD Rubies. Played this before with Jackpot hits. You gotta get 3 wilds match up or a bunch of rubies. So top prize is almost 50,000 with 9 rubies. That would be amazing. I got 200 in. And $9 spin is max bet, 9 lines. So, gotta play all 9 lines. Alright, nice, 40 bucks. Oh, nice, we got double bars twice for 50. Come on, rubies. Let's get 9 rubies. We'd even take 8. One more! Yes! Got it! Smack that baby down. I think it's the first time I've ever won one of those. Wow! That's amazing. I like that bell. Pretty jamming. Wow. Yeah. VGT sounds. Oh, it's teasing us. Alright, we got 3 for 25. Sweet. Alright, can we get 9? Or is that pushing our luck? Oh, teasing us. What's that red 7 pay? I don't even know. Oh, it pays 70. Okay. One more. Oh, man. I paid 27. Wow. Okay, so these substitute as rubies also. So we got credit for 3 rubies. Wow. Oh, come on. Land it. 3 again, 25. It goes down each time. It's kind of like a progressive. Down and up. Man, that was really cool. We got that. Nice. I was ready to smack. Double bars again for 50. Do it. We'd have got another wild. That'd have been 252. Nice, got those black 7s and any 7s. 55. Man, this game is hot. A few more spins. See if it's got anything else in it. I'll stop at 850. Final spin. Alright, you guys, we'll hop out with our 657 profit. That was an amazing run on WiLD Rubies. Thank you guys for watching. Let's give this game a try. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, Wildfire 7s. This one has the burning spins. It's like a random respin feature. Let's go. This game's also a 9 line. Lots of people ask why I like the 9 lines. I like the 9 lines because you get more action, you know, instead of a 1 line, but I still like them all. Here we go, $9 max bet, 200 in. Wish me luck. Well, that's a good one. First spin, 45. All right, 5x. Line up with your multiplying brothers, sisters. Ooh, 2x. It's really cool when you get that burn and respin and get those multipliers. See if it happens. $16. Oh, come on, burning. It was some burning fire. Alright, down 100. No oh, there it is. Woo! Come on. Do it again. Alright, that's all. We needed that 5. Alright, we got 24. Okay, cool. Go. Oh, 16. Triple 7 pays 60, and if you got it with a couple multipliers, really be cool. I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna bet 5, 1 spin. 1 more. Back to 9. Come on, multiply. Oh, that was cheap. Mr. Wildfire is not ready to pay. A few more spins. All right, save us, Wildfire. Oh man, took us out. Let's go. Hey guys, I am sitting at a triple golden cherries. It's the 9 line version. I got 150 free play loaded and 20 cash. Wish me luck. $9 max bet. Let's see if we can get something cool. Get that 5x. Come on. 7's. Oh my lord. We just need one more for 7 grand. What a teaser. Alright, so I'm gonna load 100 cash. Alright, so altogether, out of pocket, I'll be 120 cash in. Let's go. Maybe we got it warmed up. Come on, 7's. 7's. With a triple and 5x. Man. Oh, I just spun 3. Ah, back to 9. Went dead on us. Come on, triples. Back around, triples. Wager saver. Got it. Alright, we're gonna do one more. Makes 220 cash. Oh, we're walking away. We don't win. Let's go. Well, kind of went cold on us, y'all. We're gonna have to hop. Come on, triples. It's 20. Maybe it'll come back around. Give us a strong finish. Alright. Hit 100. That's cool. Kept us in the game. Stingy with the 7's, triples. Got it. Bam. Yay. Yes. Glad we hung in there. That was what we wanted. Awesome. Thank you, Mr. Triple Gold Cherries. Sweet finish. I didn't think it was going to come through. But it did. Very sweet. Let's give it till 900. See what happens. 900 or 1100? Which one comes faster? Ooh. Triples. Alright, let's take this down. We're stopping at 9. Alright guys, last spin. Here goes. Alright, we're hopping out. Sweet profit this round. Till we meet again, Mr. Triple Golden Cherries. Thank y'all for watching. Hop back by. It's Wildfire 7. I'm gonna give it one more in. One more 100. See if I can get anything cool. Lost 200 in it earlier. So here we go. Max bet of none. Maybe we'll get lucky. Maybe we won't. One good respin. Come on. Alright, got a 5x up there, 34. Come on, burning spins. Uh-oh, last spin. Oof, alright, there we go. Oh man, we can bet 3. Let's just do it. Oh man, let's bet 1. We lost.